Hi guys, how you all doing? Today we're going to do a roasted duck red curry with pineapple. A fairly easy recipe to do, and I've already bought the roasted duck actually from one of the street vendors to make it a lot easier. If I had to roast a duck, it would be so time consuming, but if you can get a roasted duck, you're in the same situation as I am. So we're going to use a roasted duck, some pineapple, red curry paste, which I already have a link on my channel, so you can have a look there, and I'll put a link up here somewhere, so you can make your own red curry paste. So we're making a roasted duck, pineapple and red curry. Let's do this. We got to start with the pineapple first, guys. Now we got half a pineapple here, and we're going to cut it into quarters, so we're going to come straight through there. So now what we have to do, we have to cut this into quarters. Quarter our pineapple. It's nice and easy actually. Okay. So cut that through there. And now what we have, when we turn it over, we have 4 nice pieces of pineapple. And what we're going to have to do is take the skin off, and then we're going to cube up the pineapple. We're going to cut inside there, following the pineapple round the skin. So we don't want the skin. Okay, now I cut it this way, you'll have to cut it any which way you can. Okay, this is my way of cutting it. Okay, so take that off there. We've taken most of the eyes out at the same time, and we've not taken much waste of the pineapple at all. That is all skin. Okay, and obviously we don't want that end on there, so let's get rid of that as well. Right, so all we need to do now, guys, we've still got that bit of a core in there, look. So we need to take that out of there as well. Okay, so let's just run a knife down it, like that, and take that core out of there. We need to actually cube this across. Okay, some nice little cubes on there. Right guys, so all we're going to do is nice and steady, about 1 centimeter cut across our pineapple to get our lovely pineapple cubes. And then we're just going to put it in a bowl. So nice and steady then, put all those in there, and then we crack on with the rest of the pineapple. Right guys, now for our duck. So this, I bought a whole duck today actually. Okay, so this is half a duck, and obviously all the bits of duck that when they chop off and take off the meat, they take it off. Amazing. Right, what we need to do is cut this into chunks. We want chunks of duck meat in our duck curry. So all we're going to do then, let's try and even it up a little bit. Okay, we'll come through there, and that's obviously where the drumstick, the leg was. So let's come down there, cut that off there. Now we want the skin as well, you know, we're not going to chuck the skin away, we actually want the skin in there. Okay, so we basically want some decent duck chunks. Okay, so we're going to come straight through the duck breast. So you know, oh, let's take the skin off there. That is quite a decent size duck for our curry. So straight through, nice and steady. Right guys, what we need to do now, we need to take one of our chilies and we're just going to slice it on a thin diagonal angle. You know, this is for garnish, not really for in the curry. So want some nice thin slices across like that. Okay, nice and easy. Just watch your fingers as always. Now we don't need any more than one chili actually, because like I say, it's only for garnish type in the top of our curry. So that will do nicely. We have enough there, look. And what we'll do, we'll just put that in our bowl. Right, we want some oil in the pan, guys. We want to add a good tablespoon of our red curry paste. So in with our paste. Give that a little tap in there. Stir it around in our oil. Steady, just stir it in there a little bit. Give it a little bit of a stir fry to take out the rawness of the curry paste. Right, we want to put in a little bit of coconut. And we just want to cook that in. And what we're trying to do, we're trying to cook that down so it actually splits in the actual pan. So nice and steady then. That's looking good already. So just let it take on there. Let's let it cook a little minute and we'll keep stirring it so it doesn't burn. Right guys, can you see there, look? It's already splitting quite nicely. So what we need to do is add just a little bit more milk. Cook it out. So nice and steady then. Just a little bit more milk in there. And we'll cook that through. So we're building up this layer of our coconut curry flavour as we're cooking. It's a fantastic smell. So just let that cook in there nice and gently. Now that is looking absolutely wonderful. And the smell is incredible. Right, we got the oil splitting again there, guys. What we're going to do, we're going to add our duck. We're going to put all our duck in there. Give it a nice toss over with the curry. Wonderful. There's a fantastic aroma coming out of this pan. So we're just nice and steady. We don't want to burn anything here. Right, we got it nice and bubbling away there. We're going to put in about a cupful of coconut milk. Give that a nice little stir through. Bring all the curry paste off the bottom of the pan. That is absolutely wonderful. So what we're going to do now, guys, we just want to add about quarter a cup of water and cook this nice and steady. Make sure it's not too salty or too sweet. Let's give it a little taste test. Right guys, we want to be adding about a tablespoon of fish sauce. So get that in there. That's our saltiness. In it goes. A little bit of a stir around. Right guys, we want to be adding about half a tablespoon of palm sugar. Give that a stir in. Right, we need to add our pineapple, guys, so let's just tip that in there. And that little bit of juice that was left in there, and that one's for me. And we got a few green grapes. We get those in there. And we got some cherry tomatoes. So in they go. Give that a stir around. Right guys, what we're going to do is give it another little taste. Oh wow, that is amazing. That is absolutely fantastic. Right, so we got some kaffir lime leaves to go in there, and obviously we want to take the stalk out of the middle, so get that out of there, and then we're just going to rip these and just drop them in. Just give us that little bit of a kaffir lime flavour running through our curry. So just rip them up and just put them in. Get that kaffir lime in there. Nice and gently guys, we don't want to be breaking up the duck if we can help it. We actually want some nice pieces in there. Right guys, in with our sweet basil. Just give them a little shake and drain off the water. In the top, nice and gently. Give them a little bit of a shake the water off. So in with our chilies, and we'll keep a couple of pieces back actually for garnish. So in we go, give it a bit of a gentle stir through. Okay, and we'll just turn it off, and that is our duck red curry and pineapple made. Absolutely perfect. And we just need to serve it up. That is an absolutely fabulous, fabulous curry. That is delicious. Not salty, not sweet. The flavors of the curry and everything with the pineapple, the tomatoes, the basil leaves. It's got the taste of a bit of a citrus in there from the kaffir lime leaves. It's phenomenal. That, guys, is probably one of the best curries I've ever eaten. That is amazing. Now if you like what we're doing, don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, all that type of stuff, and we'll catch you next time. Amazing.